1, the IXL that you guys have assigned. So basically what it's asking you to do is find the adjectives. And an adjective is any word that describes a noun, okay? So let's look at our example here and see if we can find anything that fits that description, okay? Madagascar, an island off the coast of Africa, is relatively isolated from the rest of the world. As a result, the animals that live there are often quite unique. Okay, so let's see here. So we got unique, and that's describing animals. And we have isolated, which is describing Madagascar. Okay. As we ambled along the moonlit path, we listened to the symphony of crickets in the woods around us. So we got to find one adjective here. And so what we have is we have moonlit, and moonlit is describing the path. And that's how we know that it's an adjective. So again, adjectives, what they do is they describe nouns, and nouns are persons, places, and things. So anything that describes the person, place, or thing in the sentence is going to end up being an adjective. Okay, so again, we're looking for one adjective. Upon reflection, Barbara decided that the best course of action would be to step down as the president of the board. So best, and best is describing the course of action. So what kind of course of action is it? It's the best course of action. So let's go up a level here. Okay. Galileo, an Italian astronomer who lived from 1564 to 1642, was famously innovative. He devised a variety of instruments, including telescopes, a compass, and a thermometer. So we got to find two adjectives this time. It says so right here. So he is an Italian astronomer. So what kind of astronomer is he? He's Italian. And let's see here. This is a tough one, isn't it? So we have, let's look at, so if we get stuck, we can look at our nouns, and we're just looking for things that are persons, places, or things. So we have Galileo, we have astronomer. He was famously innovative. So he devised a variety of instruments. So we have instruments, and we have telescopes, compass, thermometer. Those are all of our nouns in the sentence. So if we look at where our nouns are, we can go backwards and look to see if we find anything that describes them. Okay, so we have famously innovative here, and that's describing Galileo. That gives us more information about him. So innovative is going to be my adjective there. Okay. Now we got to find four. So that's a lot, but let's see if we can do it. He was nervous. So we have he, and then he's being described, right? So he was nervous about the upcoming play, right? So we have he. We look for a thing that describes he, nervous. We have the play, so we can look for something that describes the play. It's upcoming, which means it's coming soon. But after several successful rehearsals, so we have another noun here, and we have something that describes it, successful, gave him confidence. Okay. So I'm just thinking out loud here. So several, right? Confidence is actually being a noun here, right? So it's a thing that he's getting, okay? And it's different because it doesn't have this was in front of it. So it's not describing how he was, but they gave him confidence. So if you get confused, you can swap it out for a different word, like the rehearsals gave him pizza, right? It's a noun there. It works as a noun. So several describes rehearsals, and that gives us our four. So let's see, fingers crossed. Oh, okay. All right, guys. So again, adjectives just describe nouns. So if you look for things that are persons, places, or things in the sentence, then you can work backwards and find the adjectives. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions with this one. Reminder, you only have to get to 80% for full credit.